Everybody, it's Harry Box of the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Thursday night, the 11th, 7/11, and these are the charts of the day. Kind of a sloppy day on Wall Street, but it didn't end up too bad. We made some new highs. Taking a look at some of the charts of the day, Amarin, which has been consolidating since October in a long coiling-type pattern, recently popped, got up to resistance, took it out slightly, and then backed off. I'm of the opinion, though, that the pullback on low volume is a bullish sign, and that this falling wedge of sorts may have actually been broken by the end of the day today. Keep an eye on this one if it follows through. Certainly if it gets above 23.85. Then I think we're going to 26 3/4 7 and 29 3/4 30. Apps, which has been in a beautiful uptrend since October, has now gone from $1.12 to as high as $5.40. And after pulling back, it's coming on again, and I'm looking now for $5.90 and 7 1/4 half. Beyond meats, well, it came out of that coil I showed you, and it's been up for like 6 days in a row, but just slightly. Today up another 6.4%, I should say, or 1069. Breaking through resistance, and I now would look for a run to test 186, and then 200. CHGG broke out the other day. Looks like a good swing to me. I think the stock heads to the low to mid 50s, 53 range would be a potential target. But it may start out about 51.2. And beyond that, we're looking at mid-60s. NTNX popped out and broke out, put a swing on it, but it backed right off. Still, we can see that the multiple tops in this area, if taken out, meaning over 28.5, his stock could run to 31.5 and 35. NVCR keeps ramping up in a beautiful rising channel since the April low when it was 41 and change, now 69. And maybe headed to the long-term top at some point near 100. This one's got momentum. PAYS pay station at the top of its channel is now ramping up at an accelerated angle, which tells me we may see 1920 short term. Good looking chart and good technicals. SOLY popped the other day and pulled back, and today it's coming on yet again, popping another 372 at 21%. Volume was solid at 7 million. I'm of the opinion the stock has more to go. Next test around 24 3/4 and then 28.9. STNE software stock exploded, broke out of a base today. Filled the gap, closed 34.87 up 286 or 9%. Good volume too, over 6 million shares, the best we've seen since April. I would not be surprised to see this make a run at the 44.4.5 range. Workhorse swing is working well. It actually broke out to a new height today, reaching 332, closing right there, up 17 cents. This is the highest level that it's closed at and or reached since way back here a couple years ago. So this may extend. It looks like to me a target around 380. It should be coming up shortly, and then we'll test this high, which is kind of important, at 4.5. And finally today, Weight Watchers, looks like it may have turned the corner after breaking its declining tops line here, pulling back to retest it, and then ramping up through resistance to test the May high. This is at the key point, or inflection point I'd call it, over 24.40, and as high as 23.98 today. Above 24.40, I wouldn't be shocked to see this make a run for starters at about 27.28. That's it, a short and sweet one for tonight. This is HB signing off. Talk to you tomorrow.